guys, and welcome to my vlog for today. So today my vlog is all about the eye check-up here in Legazpi Eye Center. So today, andito kami ngayon sa Legazpi Eye Center for a follow-up check-up for the retinal detachment that happened to Rick a few months ago. So today guys, if you are here in Bicol region, Sorsogon, Legazpi or any part of Bicol, this is the main Legazpi Eye Center for all your eye problems. So let's go! We started our journey in Sorsogon City and dito nga kami dumaan sa Sugoy, Castilla, Sorsogon. So this is an alternate road going to Legazpi City. So actually this is not the main road. Okay, so as you can see, meron siyang mga scenic uphill, mga ganon, mga twist turns. Ayan, may mga sharp curves siya. At si Emil nga yung nagmaneho ng sasakyan na Rick. So far, medyo maulan ang araw na ito. Papunta kami sa Legazpi. And then, di kami dumaan sa main road para iwas traffic. And ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kalsada dito. Kasi this is a newly open road. Not newly open road, it's from few years back. But then, medyo ito na yung magandang daanan para makaiwas tayo sa traffic. So as you can see guys, it's very wet ang road this time kasi masyadong malakas ang ulan nang papunta kami ng Legazpi. Well anyway, here in Bicol, especially here in Sorsogon, it's always raining the whole time. You know, it will rain and then it will have sunshine, but mostly guys, it's rain. And always may bagyo. So ayun na nga, ito yung dito kami dumaan. At actually if it's not raining, maganda, it's very naturey yung daanan dito, even though it's narrow. Kaya idaan ko kayo dito guys ha. Video tayo ng konti-konti lang bago tayo magkakating sa Legazpi Eye Center. Ang Legazpi Eye Center nga pala guys ay matatagpuan sa katabi lang ng Pacific Mall or sa may Gaisano Mall. Kung pupunta din kayo ng Yashana Mall, it's just a walking distance. And even the SM Mall, it's all just near to each other. It's only like few meters away or a kilometer away yung SM sa Pacific Mall. So actually guys, we started the check-up of Rick here in Sorsogon City, but then wala silang mga equipments dito na kailangan sa check-up ni Rick. So the eye doctor recommend us to go to Legazpi Eye Center. And actually kasi guys, dito sa Legazpi Eye Center, andito lahat yung mga espesyalista na kailangan mo sa iyong mata, whatever you have concern for your eye. So, andito lahat sa Legazpi Eye Center. You can do it online booking appointment or a walk-in. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's either of the two will do. So, dito na nga tayo, malapit na tayo. At nakikita nyo, medyo masikip talaga guys ang daan. Pero, malapit na tayo magkakating sa Legazpi. Actually, part na to guys ng Legazpi. Itong daan na to. Hindi lang to naaayos pa ng kanilang government. Pero makikita nyo, maganda siya. Very naturey talaga. Bundok pa. Pero kung ako guys, matatakot pa ako dito pag mag-isa lang akong dadaan dito. Hindi ako dadaan dito. Dadaan na lang ako sa main highway. Charot lang. So para lang tayong nasa very province, di ba? Kasi very green pa yung kapaligiran. Kasi nga guys, alternate road to. Hindi ito yung main road. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa Legazpi Eye Center. Actually, ito yung loob ng Legazpi Eye Center. Bawal photo, bawal video. So, taka na. So, in this part, dyan nga kami guys dumaan sa may Gaisano Mall going here. At andito yung Eye Center katabi ng Jason Marketing at ng Lasik Eye Center dito sa Legazpi. So, dyan din matatagpuan natin yung Yashano Mall at ito yung Pacific Mall. Ito sa part na to. So, dito sa kabilang side is yung Eye Center. So, dyan yan sa loob. So dito guys sa loob ng eye center, andito lahat yung mga espesyalista ng mata. Sila na din yung magsasabi sa inyo. They are the one who gonna tell you which specialist you need to if you don't know what is really your eye problem is all about. So For Rick, the problem with his eye, he got a retinal detachment. So so the retinal specialist is the one who checked up on his eye and did the operation for his eye. So ito yung other side na kung saan you can park your vehicle here. If you have a motorcycle or car, then also that one is also a parking space na you can park your vehicle. At yan nga yung Gaisano. So napakalapit lang kasi itong building na to is ito yung building na kung saan yung eye center nandito sa Legazpi. Alright, so hindi kayo maliligaw. Titingnan nyo lang yung straight na lilikuan nyo at nandito na kayo. So in Sorsogon guys, mayroon tayong mga eye doctor, but then they don't have all the machinery that you might need. It depends upon what will be your eye problem. Kung mga simple problem lang like cataract or eyeglasses, so napakarami sa Sorsogon. At meron din yung sa Chacon General Hospital for the eye check-up, but then it's not every day the eye doctor is there. So you need to wait and you need to look for the schedule in Chacon General Hospital. But then here in Legazpi Eye Center, you can come here for a walk-in for online appointment. You just need to look for Legazpi Eye Center online appointment, and then you can also choose whose doctor you wanted to go. If you already know what is the problem in your eye, then you can book an appointment for the eye doctor that is supposed to be. Okay, so now, okay, here is my son. Wait mo si dada mo. We're going here to Pacific Mall. Find something to eat. Probably here in Rib Shack. So ito guys yung parking area. Okay. Ayan, tingnan natin yan. Saan? Tuloy tayo. Let's go. So, alright, so andito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Pacific Mall or the Gaisano Mall. So we're gonna look for a place to eat. Meron silang Watson, McDonald's, McD. Ayan. Let's follow Emil wherever he wants that to go. Okay, yan. Sige, gala muna tayo dito sa My Pacific Mall. They have Graceland, Pen Shop, Rib Shack. Okay, here for the Rib Shack. Ayan, Rib Shack guys, meron din sa SM. Meron din dito sa Gaisano yan. Actually, Rib Shack. And there's also a Greenwich. Alright, so we are here. Dito nga sila. Super dami ng customer dito sa Rib Shack. Anyway, so kahit saan naman, napakadaming customer talaga guys. At nandito nga tayo. So, Rib Shack. Diyan meron silang spare ribs, chicken pecho, pork barbecue, chicken beef kebab. At yan, free unlimited rice. Yan. Natakam nga ako nitong boneless bangus kaya ito talaga ang in-order ko dito sa Rib Shack. Actually guys, napakasarap. Sulit naman yung large nila. At itong kebab nga pala, masarap din naman. Kaso ayaw ni Rick ng kebab na to. We're done eating na nga, kaya igala ko muna kayo dito sa loob ng Pacific Mall while we're killing the time. Kasi marami kaming oras, nag-aantay kami hanggang maging hapon, hanggang mag-alas 6 ng hapon guys. Kasi didiretso kami ng airport at may susunduin kami. So medyo maaga pa kaya kailangan nating may gawin. Kaya ikot-ikot muna tayo dito sa loob ng mall at samahan nyo lang ako ha. Dito naman to sa third floor, may playground na kung babalik-balikan at nandyan yung department store. At meron ditong movie theater. Yan, meron dito mga sa mga bata. At nandun yung movie theater. There's gadget shop. If you want to relax, yan, cellphone ay. And then, yan yung Abenson, mga appliances. Nandun si break. Ito. Abenson. And here is the two waiting. Ayan, may pay toilet nga pala guys dito sa loob ng Gaisano. Ito, so kung iihi kayo sa loob ng Gaisano Pacific Mall, may bayad 10 pesos. Yan, ito lang yung mall na may bayad Charot lang. We're done roaming around here in the Pacific Mall. So we decided to move or go to SM Legazpi City kasi medyo malapit lang at baka mas maganda yung gagalaan natin. Kaya tara na, lipat na tayo. Nakarating tayo dito guys sa SM Cinema, SM Legazpi City. Yan. So tingnan natin anong pagkakaiba nito sa SM Sorsogon. There's a food hall over there. Mas malawak yung ano dito, SM Cinema. Gia Kitchen. And andito yung First Colonial. Ongyang tickets. Showing nga palang Avatar dito sa SM Legazpi at 3 hours. At yun na nga, iikot-ikot ko na lang muna kayo dito sa SM. Actually, ang laki guys ng SM Legazpi. Walang sinabi yung SM ng Sorsogon. At sa rooftop nga pala kami nagpark ng sasakyan. At napakaganda kasi kitang-kita yung Mayon Volcano. Ipapakita ko sa inyo paglabas dito. At dito nga pala pag nagpark ka dito sa SM, may bayad siya na 20 pesos. So, babayaran mo muna bago ka lumabas ng mall. Kung saan ka nagpark na floor, bago ka lumabas, doon ka din magbabayad. So, ayan na nga, nagbabayad na nga kami kasi lalabas na kami ng mall. At dito kami sa rooftop. Ayan. So, dito nga guys yung rooftop ng SM Mall. Dito sa Legazpi City. Yan. Saan ka nga nagpark? Ayan, somewhere there. Yan si Rico. Right. Ayan, medyo gumaganda na yung panahon kaya kahit pa paano hindi na siya umulan. Overlooking na yung andun sa may okay. Daddy dan daddy dan taradin tada. Oo. Yung Mayon. Wait na, makapag vlog na. Ganda kita na yung ganda. Ganda ng The Mayon volcano is actually flowing lava at this moment, but the weather is not so good, so yan ang makikita natin. Napakaganda niya, di ba? Yung Mayon volcano. So dito to sa taas ng SM Mall Legazpi City. Ayan. Dito. Galing ah. This is all for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Watch out for the part 2. We're going to Embarcadero and then to the Highlands and straight to the airport. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you again in my next YouTube video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe button for more upcoming videos. See you again, and I love you all. Have a good day. Bye.